Alright people, Nick Roberts here and welcome to my Warlord Secrets review video. I'm inside the members area here and today I'm going to open it up, give you a look inside, share my thoughts, and you can see if you want to check this out for yourself. Now what is Warlord Secrets? It's basically a really cool training and software which is going to show you how to make money using Quora. And if you don't know what Quora is a Q&A site, a questions and answers site, where people go on the platform and they ask questions about certain topics, about certain niches, and you can go on and you can answer these questions, all right? You can provide a nice bit of value, nice little answer, and you can also drop links in there that link out to your affiliate offers or CPA offers or to your website or to your YouTube channel, wherever you want to send people, okay? So it's a really nice way to get people off this platform, really nice source of free traffic, and a really nice way for you to hopefully start making some commissions, all right? The other really nice thing about Quora is that once you've actually created an answer, your answer stays up there forever, okay? Accumulating these views and accumulating this traffic and accumulating these clicks, okay? So it's a nice way to do the work once, put in a bit of work for half an hour, create a really good bit of value for people, and that's going to be up there making money for you for a long time to come, okay? So I'm going to explain all about this as I go through the main training. Before we do that, I'm going to just point out, if you are interested in picking up Warlord Secrets, I'm going to leave a link for it below this video. It's going to link out to this page here where you can get over $3,000 worth of bonuses, okay? I've put together something really special for you here. I'm just going to scroll down, you can see everything you're getting. But it's basically everything you could possibly need to build an online business, okay? We've got free traffic tutorials, we've got paid traffic tutorials, we've got how to create bonus pages, how to create websites, the list goes on, but there's a really everything you could possibly need right here. And I'm gonna let you check this out for yourself in your own time. But as I said, the link for this page will be below this video. And if you hit any of these buttons, it's gonna take you through to the Warlord Secrets sales page. And I'll also show you one last little thing is when you hit the Warlord Secrets sales page, if you go to exit, you'll also get a nice 20% discount on this, okay? So I think you can pick it up for about $10, all right? So that out of the way, let me show you inside the actual training, all right? So the training is put together by a geezer called Will Weatherly. He's got a really nice case study where he shows how he is actually making proper money off Quora. He gives you proof of the method right here. And then he brings you into the main training, okay, and shows you how you can do it for yourself. So let me take you through that. So the first thing you want to do on Quora is, as I said, people are asking questions and they want answers to questions, okay? But not all questions are equal, all right? And some questions don't really get much traffic, they don't really get much hits per month, okay? So you don't want to spend time answering them because it's going to be a bit of a waste of your time. So Will here is going to show you how you can use certain tools like SEMrush, and you can do this sort of keyword research and you can check search volume on different questions, and he's going to show you how you can go after questions that are getting high search volume but that also have a low competition, which means not many people have answered them yet, so you've got a good chance of your answer appearing top of the list, okay? That's really important. So he's going to show you how you can do all that. This bit is the same thing, he just goes into a bit more detail on there. He also shows you some ninja keyword techniques. So for example, let's say you're in the affiliate marketing niche, okay, and you want to answer questions on marketing, all right? He shows you some cool techniques, how you can go after different influencers in the niche, how you can answer questions on different tools like autoresponders, page builders, stuff that marketers would need. He shows you basically not going after generic stuff, but actually you know, hitting some really cool keywords that not many people are going after, all right? I hope that makes sense, but he shows you some ninja keyword techniques right there. He shows you some additional keyword hacks as well. He shows you how to do content generation. This is a very nice training, this bit here, okay? Let me talk to you a bit more about this. So when you're answering these questions on Quora, you are basically creating content, okay? You don't want to give a tiny, measly, shit little answer. People want a bit of depth, you know, a good bit of content. But it can be bit hard for you to create this content, okay, and a bit time consuming making this stuff. Will is going to show you how you can actually get other people's content, okay, for free on the internet. It's already out there. How you can take it, how you can reword it, turn it into your own, turn it into a unique bit of content, which is really important. Okay, you want to be putting unique stuff out there, okay, and he's going to show you how you can do all of that. In fact, he actually puts together a really nice Quora article and post. He shows you how to do it within half an hour, make it your own, and post it onto the site. Okay. He also shows you how to stay safe on Quora. Okay, and this is really important, is because once you've posted an answer, you can't just drop your affiliate link out there. Okay, you can't just link straight out to a Warrior Plus or JVZoo or ClickBank, because Quora don't like that. They will remove your answer. So he's going to show you some nice little hacks to stay safe on Quora, some nice little redirect links that you can use, which are going to basically make sure that your answers never get taken down by the Quora police. Okay, so that's a really important section there. It's also going to show you how you monetize. All right, so let's say you've created this lovely answer for someone, what are the best ways to make money online, or what are the best ways to drive traffic to a blog. You've made a nice 10-step little article explaining how to do it. Now, what do you use for a call to action? How do you actually turn that bit of value into a way to promote your offers? He's going to show you how to do that. Okay, he's going to show you how to nicely link between the question, the article that you've written, and link that out and transition nicely to your offers. Okay, and then the last thing is how you can 3 times your traffic. All right, so you're getting traffic off Quora, but he's also going to show you how you can use Twitter, how you can use Facebook groups to get even more traffic to these little value posts and answers that you're making. All right, so it's all in there. Really nice stuff. It will take you about an hour to go through all of these. Each video is about 10 minutes long, and it's a really promising method, and I'm really keen to try it out myself. I'm going to give this a go over the next month or 2. The real thing is just to be consistent, do it every day, and you should start seeing some results. Okay, and then we get into the automation software. So basically everything that I just showed you in the main training, these guys have created a software which is going to automate it for you. Okay, which is just going to save you a lot of time, and once you've got it all set up, it's going to save you a lot of effort, and it's going to remove the tedious elements of this process. Okay, so you've got all that going on, and then we've got upgrades. We've got unlimited traffic mastery, done for you keywords, and all that sort of stuff, and done for you posts as well, and done for you content and all that kind of thing. Okay, but that's it really. That's how it works. All right, my thoughts, really like it. Okay, when I review a product, it's because I've gone through it, it's because it's something I like. If I don't like it, I don't review it usually. So as I'm reviewing it, I like it, I dig, I'm going to be trying it out for myself. I'm going to give it a spin over the next 60 days and see if I can make this work for myself. And hopefully, if you implement, I hope you can get some really good results with it as well. Okay, so I'm going to leave it at that today. One last mention, if you do want to check this out, hit the link below and you can go and check out this bonus page. Hit the button, you'll come straight through to the Warlord Secrets sales page. Have a flick through that, and I really hope it works out for you. Okay, thanks so much for watching today. Hope you enjoyed this one. I wish you all the very best and keep killing it online, and I'll catch you real soon. Take care.